Replacing windows is an important home improvement project that can significantly improve comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. While the benefits are clear, many homeowners are unsure what the process actually involves. Understanding what to expect during a window replacement project can make the experience smoother and less stressful. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, knowing the steps involved helps ensure confidence and peace of mind from start to finish. Initial consultation and home assessment. The window replacement process typically begins with an in-home consultation. During this visit, professionals assess existing windows, discuss homeowner goals, and evaluate factors such as window condition, layout, and exposure. In Pompano Beach homes, this step is especially important to identify needs related to heat, humidity, and comfort. Homeowners can ask questions, explore window styles, and discuss performance expectations during this phase. Accurate measurements and planning. Once window choices are made, precise measurements are taken to ensure a proper fit. Every window opening is measured carefully, as even small variations can affect performance. For Pompano Beach homeowners, accurate measurements are key to preventing air leaks and ensuring long-term durability. This planning phase sets the foundation for a successful installation. Preparing the home for installation day. Before installation begins, homeowners may be asked to prepare the area around the windows. This often includes moving furniture, removing window treatments, and clearing access points. In Pompano Beach homes, preparation helps installers work efficiently while protecting interior spaces from dust or debris. Removal of old windows. On installation day, the existing windows are carefully removed. Professionals take care to minimize disruption to surrounding walls and trim. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this step is performed with attention to detail to protect both the interior and exterior of the home. Installing the new windows. New windows are set into place, aligned correctly, and secured. Proper sealing and insulation are applied around the frame to block air and moisture. In Pompano Beach, this step is critical for managing heat and humidity while improving indoor comfort. Sealing, insulation, and finishing touches. After installation, the windows are sealed to prevent air and water infiltration. Interior and exterior trim may be adjusted or replaced to create a clean, finished look. For Pompano Beach homeowners, these finishing touches ensure windows look polished and perform as intended. Quality checks and operation review. Once installation is complete, installers typically test each window to ensure smooth operation. Homeowners are shown how to open, close, and lock the windows properly. In Pompano Beach homes, this walkthrough helps homeowners feel confident using their new windows. Cleanup and final inspection. Professional installers clean the work area, removing debris and old materials. A final inspection ensures everything meets quality standards. For Pompano Beach homeowners, a clean and thorough finish adds to the overall positive experience. Post-installation comfort and benefits. After installation, homeowners often notice immediate improvements in comfort, reduced noise, and better temperature control. In Pompano Beach, these benefits are especially noticeable due to improved insulation and sealing. A smooth experience for Pompano Beach homeowners. Window replacement doesn't have to be overwhelming. By understanding the process, from consultation and preparation to installation and final inspection, homeowners can approach the project with confidence. For Pompano Beach residents, working with experienced professionals ensures a smooth window replacement experience and lasting benefits for years to come.